Berendsen Fluid Power is a hydraulics powerhouse with the scale, reach and expertise to perform at the apex of Australian industry. As the nation's largest locally owned hydraulic services provider, we deliver complete end-to-end fluid power solutions, from repairs and maintenance to fully engineered systems. With a national branch network, fully stocked warehouses and expert teams across product sales, repairs and engineering, Berendsen provides a truly comprehensive service offering. We specialise in the repair of all hydraulic components and systems, and our nationwide repair centres are equipped with advanced tools to fast-track high-quality repairs, including specialised disassembly equipment, clean rooms, in-house boring, honing, milling and machining and surface engineering through our 4 state-of-the-art hard chrome plating facilities in Sydney, Newcastle, Melbourne and Perth. The entire repair process is governed by a fully digital workflow system, using tablets to track and manage each repair, streamlining repair times and ensuring adherence to repair practices. As a Tier 1 importer of leading hydraulic brands such as Paul Filtration and Danfoss, we ensure a vast range of components is available to order from our fully stocked warehouses. Through our partnership with Paul, we are the nation's leading distributor of high-quality filtration products. As a premier Danfoss distributor, we supply world-class solutions, including advanced proportional valve groups and the complete Danfoss +1 platform, unlocking new possibilities in machine control and system design. Our hydraulic engineering capability is world-class. Whether you're developing a new system or upgrading existing equipment, with a multidisciplinary engineering team supported by our in-house ISO-accredited manufacturing facility. From custom hydraulic cylinders and power units to advanced machine control systems, we provide true end-to-end solutions. From the scale of our national footprint to the sophistication of our facilities and capabilities, from repairs to product sales to full system engineered solutions and manufacture, Berendsen is without doubt the home of hydraulics in Australia.